guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 16, estimating population proportions. So a new comic book hero. Here are the results of a survey of 20 people who read The Adventures of Super Sam regarding what special ability they think the new hero should have. What proportion of this sample want the new hero to have the ability to fly? So proportion means what amount out of the total. So looking at relating those amounts. So proportion is your key word for this lesson, proportion. So if we look, we have 20 total responses. And if we look at how many wanted him to fly, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 out of 20, which would equal 0.4. If there are 2,024 dedicated readers of The Adventures of Super Sam, estimate the number of readers who want the new superhero to fly. So because of this sample, we're going to use the 0.4, representing how many want him to fly, and we're going to take 0.4 times 2,024, which is going to give us approximately 810. So there's about 810 readers who want him to fly. 2 other comics books did a similar survey of their readers. In a survey of people who read Beyond Human, 42 out of 60 people wanted the new hero to be able to fly. In a survey of people who read Mysterious Planets, 14 out of 40 people wanted the new hero to be able to fly. Do you think the proportion of all readers who want a new hero that can fly are nearly the same for the 3 comic books? So the proportion for Mysterious Planets seems pretty close to that of The Adventures of Super Sam. It's almost doubled, just slightly under, but not for Beyond Human. Since the proportion for Mysterious Planets, so if we take 14 and divide it by 40, we get 0.35. And if we take 42 and divide it by 60, we get 0.7. So we have pretty big difference there, and the other one that we did on the previous page was 0.4. So these two are pretty close together, but that 0.7 is way out there. So definitely more readers want it for that came from Beyond Human are wanting the hero to fly than the others. If you were in charge of these 3 comics, would you give the ability to fly to any of the new heroes? Explain your reasoning. So this kind of depends on your opinion, but based on what we've seen, obviously a lot of readers want to see the new hero to be able to fly in the Beyond Human series. So Beyond Human would definitely get a new flying superhero. The other 2, it's a little more questionable. I mean, about 40% or 35% of the readers would like to see their new superhero fly, but I mean, that's not 50%. That's not a majority. So maybe yes, maybe no. That it's pretty split between the others. So it's a little harder to take and decide that, but we can use the proportions to help us see that. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.